Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today, I will be featuring my MP5 multi-purpose 5-quart cooker, also known as the rice cooker, slow cooker, wow, all in one, in preparing my Alfredo pasta with shrimp and chicken. So, our ingredients are 1 pack of egg noodle, we have frozen mixed vegetables, we have frozen chicken, frozen shrimp, so it's really actually from freezer straight to your MP5. And we have 2 bottles of Alfredo sauce and then 1 cup of milk, and then we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese after we cook it, okay? So we're gonna start cooking, and remember you have a cold pan here. You do not need to preheat this. So we're gonna open our MP5, and just to have a cushion at the bottom, we're just gonna put a little bit of our milk. All right, and then we're gonna dump our 1 pack of egg noodles. As easy as that. And then your frozen chicken, frozen shrimp. Okay, we have a little bit more of chicken here. And then our frozen mixed vegetables. Wow, you're gonna love this multi-purpose 5-quart cooker, or our MP5. Okay, all we need is just dump everything. And then we're gonna have our 1 pack of our Alfredo sauce. Okay, and then of course we don't wanna throw away this because we can get something from the leftovers. So we're just gonna shake this a little bit here just to get all those delicious cream. And then pour it in, and then use another one. Okay, just like so. You see how easy and convenient it is to prepare this very delicious Alfredo pasta. Or Alfredo, yeah. Okay, then shake it a little bit again. And then pour it in on top. All right, and then what we need is just to set the temperature to medium heat. Medium heat is around 340 degrees. So you have your probe here. Set the temperature to 340 degrees. Okay, and then once you hear the vapor valve starts clicking, okay, remember this vapor valve. You're gonna reduce the heat from medium to low and cook it for about another 50 minutes, and your Alfredo pasta is ready to serve to your family. Now that the vapor valve is clicking, all you need to do is reduce the heat from medium to low, like from 340 degrees for like 225 degrees for 15 minutes. So once you set up the temperature to 225 and time it for 15 minutes, we are ready to serve our delicious Alfredo pasta. Now that our timer is up, we are ready to check our Alfredo pasta. Wow, it's now ready. Remember, this is the first time that we're going to stir. Look at that. It's cooked all the way. Look at the noodles. Perfectly cooked. So your family is now ready to enjoy a very easy, quick recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!